Happy Tuesday, everybody. I'm Neil.
And I'm Ryan from Premium Mortgage, and today we want to talk very quickly about why use a higher down payment. Neil, in this crazy market, what's the first most important reason why you should use a higher down payment when buying a house or making an offer?
You are a way stronger borrower. Remember, you have to put yourself in the seller's place. He's going to have a pile of offers in front of him. Which one is he going to take? The person that's putting 3% down or the person that's putting 20% down or 30% down?
And the reason for that, guys, really is this. If you have more cash, typically it means you're a stronger borrower, you have better financials, and you're going to look less risky with a less chance of a mortgage or a loan defaulting if in the fact you are getting financing for it, which leads to a lower monthly payment. But I think the more important thing going with a stronger borrower, in the event, and we've had this happen with appraisals, Neil, explain why.
Okay, let's say you put an offer in. Yeah, the house is up for sale for $2.25. You put an offer in for $250, and guess what? The appraisal comes back at $230. Well, if you put that 20% down, you can still buy the house. You don't have to come. You just lower your down payment to cover it. So that's why a stronger offer with more money down is always going to go ahead of a smaller offer.
Now, this also does mean that you have to really like and want the house, because if the appraisal comes lower, depending on how you have your contract set up, you could have the possibility or the option to walk away because the house doesn't appraise, and if the seller doesn't come down on their asking price, then you could walk away. But if, let's say, you really do like that house, which we have many people who do, you could then use that cash that you were using for the down payment, you can now use that for buying down what the total loan amount will be, because obviously the lender is only going to lend on what the appraised value is.
Right, so you lower your down payment.
That's correct. All right, so guys, just realize that a higher down payment is much, much better for you. It makes you look like a stronger borrower. It gives you more options. This is why you want to save as much as possible so that you have that option. If you have any questions about this, give us a call.
But this doesn't rule out the 3 and 3.5% down. I'm still doing them. We're still doing them. Don't get disgusted. Don't get discouraged. Discouraged is the word, because you can still do them. It just means that these people, chances are way better. That's all.
All right, guys, have yourself an awesome day. If you have any comments or questions, put them below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.